Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $2.36 by 2030. Market experts accept Algo could reach $1.09 by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2022 is 19 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019. When the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money foundation, the cost of Algo flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has in this manner lost most of these additions, experts and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the mystery of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement strategy called unadulterated evidence of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board of trustees are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cash appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost quickly fell a day after presentation. Algorand basic investigation. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the main day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stockpile that would be conveyed bit by bit. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. In spite of the great degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the enormous measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more possible consider the breakdown of the value of Algo's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential arrangement adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early sponsor had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand current cost. Algorand is at present worth 24 cents USD. Algo has moved 1.12% as of now with an exchanging volume of $51,375,643. Algorand is at present position 28 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,726,341,092 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Algorand Value Forecast 2022. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Algo cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 36 cents. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 33 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of 28 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform 60 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Algo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 48 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 53 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 84 cents and Algo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 77 cents and a low of 72 cents in 2024. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Algorand effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Algo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Algo will be green in 2025. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.09, with a base cost of 96 cents and a typical cost of $1.01. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.25 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.21 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a greatest value worth of $1.33. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.50. In the event that ALGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.57. Neglecting to assemble the help ALGO needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.45. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.69 and a yearly cost close above $1.81 in 2028. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.93 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.05, averaging out at $1.98. Algorand Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ALGO cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.36 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.27. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed opposition levels on the general strength record, giving further sure conversion for the transient value projection of the ALGO coin. To partake in extra upswings, brokers ought to contemplate scaling into the computerized resource, as a huge retracement is both possible and unforeseeable. The token prior put in serious areas of strength for keeping up with above earlier standards and setting another record high. All things considered, ALGO's instability, which is ordinary of lower esteemed digital currencies, was plainly noticeable. Financial backers in Algorand will trust it can notice figures and change its ongoing leap forward into a drawn-out bounce back in the wake of losing most of its earlier gain. What is the Algorand cost today? Today, Algorand is exchanging at 24 cents with a complete market capitalization of $1,726,341,092. Is Algorand a wise venture? Algorand ended up being one of the most